Google Map on your website is a great way to help people to find your premises. If you have a WordPress site, then you may have found it very complicated, and Google may look like it's trying to charge you money to add a Google Map if you've used the plugin, because it tries to get you to add an API. But there is a much easier way to do this, and it's much easier still if you set up your Google business page. So here's me trying to find my Google business page, if I can spell my business right. Here we are. So you go on Google Maps, which I am here. This is my premises, which I've already added to my Google business profile, and you click share. Now you want embed map, not send a link, embed map. This is the slightly complicated bit, don't worry. So you go copy HTML. You've copied the HTML, so it will look a bit like this. Now you go on your web page. Now this is the kind of web builder I'm using, but you'll want to make sure that you can see the code. So that will be visual is where you can see the formatting, text is where you see the code. Don't worry, this is the only code you will need to do. So you just paste it in there. Yep, this is a whole lot of programming that's probably scaring the pants off you. Don't worry, all you need to do, if you want to adjust the size of it, I quite like them square, so that will make it 500 by 500 pixels square. Click done, click update, and then click view page, and it'll take a little while to come up. Oh, it's coming up down the bottom here. So here is the map, and you can edit the size of that, and if you set up your Google business profile, you can get all the information here. I'll just go back to, I'll just find some other location. I'll find the local Tesco's or something, so you can see how to do this with, if you haven't set that up. Tesco's. Can't spell Tesco. Yeah, that'll do. So again, share, embed map, again, copy HTML. If this was your company, it's not going to be your company, you would go through the same process. You edit your page, and then click edit, and you would paste it in. You can always replace that as well if you want to change. If you change where you are, that's where you want what you want to change. You can also make the map further in or further out, so a bit more zoomed into where you are in case there's a sort of a tricky bit of road. But that is the free way to get your map on your website.